Hello everyone, this is Chand Kaur, Assistant Professor of Pharmacology working with RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today I am going to share some information about COPD, Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease. Through this video we will learn about what is COPD, what are its symptoms, causes, risk factors, complications, prevention and treatment. COPD is a chronic inflammatory lung disease that causes obstructed airflow from the lungs. Persistent airways obstruction is the characteristic feature of COPD. It is comprised of two diseases, emphysema and chronic bronchitis, and these are the two most common conditions that contribute to COPD. These two conditions usually occur together and can vary in severity among individuals with COPD. Chronic bronchitis is inflammation of the lining of the bronchial tubes which carry air to and from the air sacs of the alveoli. It is characterized by daily cough and sputum production, whereas emphysema is a condition in which the alveoli at the end of smallest air passages of the lungs are destroyed as a result of damaging exposure to cigarette smoke and other irritating gases and particulate matter. Here in this diagram we can see how cigarette smoke, biomass particles and particulates along with host factors are causing lung inflammation and ultimately COPD due to excessive oxidative stress and enhancement of proteinases action. Here through this diagram we can see the changes in the alveoli of a person suffering from COPD as compared to healthy person, and in the right side of the diagram we can see the changes in the person suffering from chronic bronchitis as well as the person suffering from emphysema. If we talk about chronic bronchitis, there is inflammation and excess production of mucus which is leading to the constriction of the lumen of bronchi as compared to a person who is healthy, whereas in emphysema there is alveolar membrane breakdown. The symptoms of COPD are shortness of breath, wheezing, chest tightness, a chronic cough, frequent respiratory infections, lack of energy, unintended weight loss, swelling in ankles, feet and legs. There are many causes of airways obstructions. The main cause of COPD is tobacco smoking, cigarette smoke and other irritants. Alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency also causes obstruction of the airways. About 1% of people with COPD, the disease results from a genetic disorder that causes low level of protein called alpha-1 antitrypsin. It is made in the liver and secreted into the bloodstream to protect the lungs. Alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency can cause liver disease, lung disease or both. It is missing genetically in the person suffering from COPD due to alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. The risk factors of COPD are exposure to tobacco and smoke, people with asthma, occupational exposure to dust and chemicals, exposure to fumes and burning fuel, and genetics. The complications associated with COPD are respiratory infections. The persons who are suffering from COPD are more prone for heart problems, lung cancer, high BP and depression. How can we prevent COPD? By smoking cessation, we can reduce our exposure to COPD causing irritants. If we talk about treatment of COPD, there are many classes of drugs such as bronchodilators to open the airways, steroids to reduce airway inflammation. We can also use antibiotics to treat respiratory infections, vaccines for the flu and pneumococcal pneumonia, infusion of the protein alpha-1 antitrypsin, since in rare cases a deficiency of this protein cause emphysema. Thanks for watching.